Have you noticed that no matter which humanoid robot it is, the hands all look quite similar? They're all using the same one, Inspire Robot's dexterous hand. Kitchen service. It can prepare a delicious breakfast for you. It enables robots to perform food-grasping tasks. It can also smoothly pick up a cup and pour milk. Housework service. It can flexibly grab and organize items, as well as complete cleaning, tidying, and other tasks. Industrial automation. In the factory, the dexterous hand can assist robots in performing tasks, such as material handling, product quality inspection, barcode scanning, and other precise operations. In automotive manufacturing, it can perform tasks such as seatbelt inspection and accurately applying car logos. Embodied intelligence research. In embodied intelligence research, as a core component for robot environment interaction, it enables robots to achieve multitask coordination. Why can it do so much? Capable of force control. The dexterous hand features a force control mode, giving it an advantage when grasping objects of varying hardness. It can steadily grasp even fragile items like tofu and mung bean cake without causing any damage. High precision. According to real test data, the dexterous hand has a repeatability of less than 0.2 millimeters. This makes the movements of the dexterous hand more controllable, reduces errors, and enhances consistency and stability in operation. Large load. It can easily lift a 10 kilograms dumbbell. Each finger can exert a force of up to 30 newtons, approximately equal to 3 kilograms, nearly reaching the average human level. 6 degrees of freedom. The dexterous hand is capable of handling most grasping tasks, meeting the operational needs of various humanoid robots across different scenarios.